Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll walk you through how to correctly get a loan from FairMoney in 2025. If you're looking for quick and easy approval, stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. First things first, if you're just creating a FairMoney account, you must link your BBN before proceeding. Without this, you won't be able to borrow money from the platform. Once your BBN is linked, you'll see this page, get a loan in 5 minutes. Here's what you do. Click on get loan, the page will load. Next, FairMoney asks how much you need. Enter your loan amount, let's say 50 Xenon. Now enter your monthly income and hit next. At this stage, FairMoney will show loan terms including higher loan amounts if pay on time, automatic debt interest if overdue, credit bureau checks. Make sure to read this carefully. Once you agree, tick the terms and privacy policy box and click confirm. Now, here's something important to know. When you click agree, FairMoney immediately reviews your details. If everything meets the criteria, your loan will be credited directly to the bank account you provided. And that's it. That's how you can get a loan from FairMoney easily. I hope this guide was helpful. To like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech solution, please be subscribed. I'll see you in the next one.